Hello, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to demonstrate a project. It is an e-commerce application which is built using MERN stack technology. The project name is Canis, and this project has all the features and functionalities of a e-commerce application. We have tried to implement it all the functionalities and features, proper authentication and security measures. So now I will navigate through the entire application and show you all the features and functionalities. First of all, we are here with a home page, and I will restart the application once to show you the loader. Here we have our splash screen. After that, we have our home page. In the home page, we start with a slider, and all these UI and images are coming from the backend and can be changed anytime. Here we have our brands, then we have our featured products, and then we have our discount section, and then subscribe to newsletter section. And now let me go through the authentication part. For the authentication, we have two options. Either we can opt for the custom email authentication, or we can opt for the Google authentication. I will show you both of the authentication. So let me start with the custom email authentication. And in the authentication part, we have all the error handling features, like email does not exist or invalid email, account already exists, and all. And we also verify the email uh, by sending verification email also. Let me show you everything. So, for example, so here we are sending our email. Okay, so our account has been created, and let me show you the email also. So here is our email. Let me refresh, and here we have, this is the verification email. But before verifying, I would like to show you that if I go now and try to log in, I will be asked to verify the email first. So let me show you that part also. Let me go and log in. So for login, okay, so here we have email not verified. So I have to first verify my email, then only I can log in. And also we have all the authentication done here also. Like email does not exist, for example, this one email not found, or maybe the password is wrong. Everything is completely covered up. So now let me verify it and show it to you. So after clicking on this link, here we have, you are now verified and you may now log in. So let me log in again. Okay, so here we will be logged in. And also let me now show you the uh, custom Google sign-in functionality also. I will log out and show you the functionality for Google sign-in also. Let me continue with Google. Let me enter my email address. So after verifying from the Google, we will be directed to the home page, and here we are. Now let me show you the products and functionalities. So here are the featured product. We can navigate through the products, and let me show you one of the products. For example, this is skates. So here we have our skates, and the category of the product is obviously sports only. We can add the product to cart, or we can write a review also. For example, if I click on add to cart, and here we have the quantity of the card is increased by one, and I can write a review also. For example, let me show you, uh, these skates are very fast, and let me give me a rating first. And after clicking on publish, our rating will get published, and here we are. The rating is now 5 star, because where here we have only one review, so obviously I gave the 5 star rating. So it will automatically adjust if I add another rating also. And the point to be noted here is that one user can write a review only a single time. He cannot write multiple reviews. So now let me go and search for a product also. For example, Node, it is an electronics gadget. So here we are. It's a Node MCU. It's an electronic component. So here we have all the categories and prices. Initially, these filters, which includes category and prices, are not touched, and we have not selected categories automatically electronics here, because it is searched by the user. And now let me show you, if the user clicks on electronic item, as well as if he selects electronics and clicks on clothing, it will automatically hide, because it's not a clothing item, it's an electronic item, and as the node is a search value, so there is nothing in clothing. But we also, if we include electronics also, it will automatically appear. So now if, okay, let me show you the price filter also. So for the price filter, if I scroll through less than 450, it will automatically get hide, and if the price is greater than 450, like 463 now, it will show here. So these are the filters which we have added. I would like to also mention that we can also view all the products which we have. For example, if I remove the search query here, we can just see all the products. And also, I have added all the products from each category, which includes each category here. And I can again filter out these categories and the prices based upon our choices. For example, if I only include health category, here we have our oximeter. Or if I add appliances here, we get a grinder here or a mixer. Or if I add furniture, I get a furniture. Or if I add watches or games, we add all our products based on each category. And also we can again sort based upon these prices also. For example, I can just see for the product which are under 1500 rupees. So here we are, all these products are under 1500 rupees. Or we can also include electronics item, and we can just remove all the items from other things, and again we can go and opt for the prices, and it will work fine. Now let me go again and add this product to the cart. I will add the product to the cart. Here we have our snack bar which is being shown. Now if I go to my cart, and here we have our cart. Now in the cart, you can also apply a coupon, and as we have till now not added our address, so it will say, it will check first whether we have added the address or not. So the server is asking us to add an address. So now let me go to my profile page and add an address. For example, um, near cannot place Delhi. For example, postal code is 10002, state is New Delhi, and country is India. So after adding my address, I will be updated with the address. Now I can go and check out successfully. Before that, we can also apply a coupon also. I would like to tell you that we have added this coupon from the backend, and it can be changed anytime or revoked anytime. For applying the coupon, as you can see, after applying, the card value has been completely halved. Now let me go and check out. So after clicking on checkout, we will be directed to the Stripe payment gateway page. Here we can add our credentials. These are obviously the test credentials only. So let me go and pay for it. After paying, the invoice of the user of the order will also be mailed to the user, and from here also we can download the invoice. Let me show you that the invoice in the mail also. First, let me refresh my mail. Okay, so here we have the invoice, and here we have our items which we have added, the address where the item is going to get shipped. So After that, let me show you that we can also download this from the application itself. For downloading, you just have to save it, and it will automatically get downloaded in your directory, and we can view it from here also. So that's it, guys. Here we have, and for the logout, we can successfully log out here, and also the orders will be shown here. We can change the status also. Like there are four status: pending, or delivered, shipped, or cancelled. Based on the status, the UI also get changed. It is completely managed by the admins. So now we can successfully log out from the application, and after logging out, we will be directed back to the home screen. So that's it, guys. uh, the application is this only, and I have covered the entire application, and the code for this application is completely maintained on GitHub. You can please check it out, and that's it. Thank you so much.